You will love the features of this 2016 Hyundai Sonata. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This well-built, stylish Sonata delivers the best in family sedan comfort. With a spacious, quiet cabin, ample cargo space, a suite of advanced safety features, and connected infotainment on board, you'll look forward to every drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, hands-free liftgate, keyless entry, backup camera, remote engine start, Woodgrain Interior Trim, keyless start, power passenger seat, premium sound system, satellite radio. Get the modern style and connectivity you crave together with the space and comfort of a family sedan in this striking Sonata. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.